What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Sleepless AI, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you guys can see here, over 40% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $2.17. So we're going to be going through what is next for Sleepless AI. Is it going to keep pumping, potentially heading to around $5 over the coming weeks, or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go in 2024, and essentially looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to be holding on to it before it pumps up even higher, and covering both short-term and long-term investors as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, Sleepless AI is not a crypto that's been there for quite a long time. As you guys can see, it was listed earlier on in January this year, so just about 3 months guys we've got data. So we're going to be hopefully looking at the next few months as well, depending on what the MACD indicator gives us. But let's quickly have a look at what Sleepless AI is all about. Where AI meets affections, Sleepless AI emerges as a groundbreaking Web3 plus AI gaming platform, ingeniously blending artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. As its core, Sleepless AI aims to revolutionize the gaming industry with its unique approach and the extensive expertise of its team. Our mission is to offer unparalleled emotional support and immersive gaming experiences through AI companion games. The project seeks to redefine the gaming landscape by seamlessly integrating advanced AI and blockchain technologies. I'll give you guys a quick overview on what this is all about, because it's not all about the figures and how much it's pumped or whatever, all of that stuff. It's all about, not all about, but part of it is mainly about what the crypto is all about, what's its use in the real world, and can it potentially grow long term as well. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the hourly chart. Reason is, I usually start with the daily chart, but when I move to the daily chart, there's not much data on the crypto, so the long-term prediction won't be possible. So we are going to stick to the 30-minute chart and the hourly chart as well. But before I go any further guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Sleepless AI over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially have gone for a minimal drop in value. And yes, I'm expecting it to drop down to just below $2 in value. Reason being is, it's pumped up quite a bit, as you guys can see here, for over 40% over the last 24 hours, which is quite a lot, and it is slightly overvalued from the analysis that I have done. So I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a dip or a price correction over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Dropping below the $2 mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit bullish. The orange line is specifically is looking quite bullish, and the blue line is slanting towards the positive direction. It's not looking too bearish, not too steep. So essentially what we have is both the lines going in a bullish direction, but the orange line is looking a little bit too steep. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Sleepless AI to have dropped back down in value. Reason being is it is overvalued right now, and more or less going to drop back down to around $1.50 by the end of next week is what I'm expecting. So do expect more red days to follow over the coming days. So potentially we may see the odd green day where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump and so on, but unfortunately the overall outcome from my prediction does seem to be more on the negative side. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we can see that we have broken out from each resistance target. However, do bear in mind we are looking at the hourly chart right now, and I'm expecting it to essentially drop back down into the red zone by mid to end of next week. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up quite a lot, 162% in the last 24 hours, making it $306 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading, especially that the crypto is, let's have a look here, one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it in the crypto market. So more and more people are trading the crypto. And this crypto was listed on Binance about 6-7 weeks ago, which did go for a major pump in value. However, since then it has stabilized just under the $2 mark. So yeah, those of you asking me, is now time to buy it or is it time to sell it? Personally, I wouldn't invest into it right now because it is overvalued, and as I mentioned earlier on, I am expecting it to take a little dip back down over the coming days and weeks as well. So personally, no, I wouldn't invest into it. And for those of you guys asking, if I was on a profit right now, would I sell it or would I hold on to it? I would sell it, but what I mean by that is if I had $1,000, guys, I would take out about 60 to 70%, so $600 to $700, take out my profit and keep the remaining $300 invested into it, meaning I've taken out majority of my profits and I've still got a little bit of investment still left in Sleepless AI, which in my opinion does work both ways. So can the crypto hit $5? I've seen this comment going online, going viral. However, no, I'm not expecting it to hit the $5 mark at the moment. Potentially towards the end of the year, early next year, depending on how the crypto itself performs. The reason I'm not expecting it to hit $5 is because I'm expecting it to go for a price correction first, and then it has to slowly start to increase in value, but I'm not expecting it to pump up to $5 at the moment. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high and how low are you guys expecting Sleepless AI to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.